Hello, Soul Sisters. What's going on? This is Coach TK with Kicking Asphalt with Soul, and I wanted to do a water check today. I want to see how much water have you had today. Water is essential to any workout plan. Whether you're running, doing strength training, water is important. Now, you're probably wondering, well, how much water should I have? Well, what you can see on my countertop here is I have 3 jars that are each 32 ounces. And when you multiply that times 3, you get 96 ounces worth of water. So how much should you drink? Well, that depends on your body weight. So if you take it, for instance, here's me, yours truly. Let's say that I weigh 200 pounds. I'm going to take half of that weight in ounces. So I would actually need 100 ounces of water. So I'm going to get my other 4 ounces of water, whether it's through drinking another glass of water, or, you can never have too much water in terms of your diet and health. But keep in mind, well, there is a such thing as having too much water. However, keep in mind that you don't want to overdo it, but you don't want to. Ladies, you can actually overdo it by drinking too much water, and you can end up with a condition that's linked to people who overhydrate their body, and you don't want to do that because then you're going to actually release too many of the salt intake that you need, because we do need potassium, sodium, magnesium, and all those essential minerals for our body. So there is a thing of having too much water, but most of us are not drinking enough. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that link and subscribe, and also tell your friends about it so you can get some support that you need for